I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to enable HDR Tone Mapping in Plex. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to plex.tv, and then sign into your Plex account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click the settings icon at the top of your screen. The settings icon looks like a wrench. Step 3. Click Transcoder in the menu on the left side of the screen. Associated options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Click to place a checkmark next to Enable HDR Tone Mapping and then click Save Changes. With HDR Tone Mapping enabled, transcoded HDR content will no longer appear highly dimmed and desaturated. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.